birthday. In behalf of my family, happy birthday to you. Mwah, mwah. Bye-bye!
So yun Tito, happy birthday sa'yo. And more birthday to come. God bless and mag-ingat lagi dyan. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday po, Uncle. Sana po lagi kayong healthy at masaya na Auntie Be. Gusto ko lang po i-commend yung pagpapalaki niyo po kay Ate Rona. And grateful po kami na Ate Risa kasi magkakaibigan pa rin po kami hanggang ngayon. Happy birthday po ulit, Uncle. And God bless po.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday po, kamu. Ingat po lagi. God bless, kamu. Bye-bye. Bye.
Happy birthday po, Uncle Rico. Ingat po kayo palagi dyan. Sana mababa po yung buhay niyo.
Happy and pleasant birthday sa iyo, Idol. More birthday to come. Sana someday magka-banding tayo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, kapatid. Enrico Paden. Namimiss ka namin dito sa Victory Liner. As of now, nandito ako sa may Tuguegarao, Cagayan. Sana one time, sama ka rin sa susunod na reunion natin. Happy birthday, kapatid. Happy birthday.
Para sa aking dating driver, kaibigan, kapatid, binabati kita ng maligayang kaarawan, kapatid na Padin. Sana ay maging masaya ang araw na ito para sa iyo. Enjoyin mo ang araw na ito. Happy birthday.
Hi everyone! Kumusta po sa inyong lahat? Sabado, Camacho Padin family dyan sa Rosales, Pangasinan. Siya ni Dina Agustin Gutierrez, iti ng Balongaw, Pangasinan. Gayon ko ni Nelia, ni Enrico. Thank you, Rika, sa pag-send mo sa akin ng birthday invitation ng papa mo. And thank you so much, Sister Nelia, sa pag-invite mo sa akin para sa video greetings ng birthday ni Bro Enrico. Salamat sa Diyos Ama na nakilala ko kayo at na-share natin ang mga buhay natin. Nung malaman yung papunta ako ng Amerika, may pinto niya sa akin na mag-petition kayo pero nawala niyo ang petition papers. Tapos sabi ko i-follow up nyo. Ngayon, nakarating ako ng Amerika, sumunod naman kayo, kaya masayang-masaya ako. Happy birthday ulit! Hindi na ako magre-wish para sa'yo, Enrico, kasi lahat na sa'yo na eh. Masayang asawa, magandang asawa, masayang pamilya. Kaya sana mapanood ko ulit yung mga pagkanta-kanta mo pag nagre-relax ka ng off mo. Once again, thank you so much. God bless us all. Maligayang kaarawan. Thank you ulit, Enrico, Nelia, and Rika. Greetings from Dina and family. Happy birthday! Happy 60th birthday!
Ay, Kuya Enrico, happy birthday. Sana bigyan ka panigad ng mahabang buhay at good health. Ikaw yung isa sa mga taong nakilala ko na ubod ng bait, tsaka mapagmahal sa mga anak, lalong-lalo na sa asawa. Sana soon magkita pa tayo nila, Madam. I miss you all and happy birthday ulit sa'yo. God bless.
Happy birthday, Kuya Enrico. More birthdays to come. Ingat kayo lagi dyan.
Hi Rico, happy 60th birthday po. Sana maligaya kayo sa milestone nyo. And sana lahat ng wishes niyo ay ma-commit niyo po sa araw ng iyong kaarawan. Sa happy birthday po ulit. Thank you po.
Hi, Kariko. Hello, Kariko. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Stay healthy. God bless.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hi, Kariko. We wish you a very happy 60th birthday. May all your wishes come true and have a great time. And nice knowing you. And may God bless you more.
Kumusta na, Rico? It's Jair. Just wanted to wish you a very happy birthday. I wish you and your family all the best and good health.
Happy 60th birthday, Rico. We hope to see you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday, Kabagis. More birthdays to come. And good health. I hope you won't change. You are the best father in the world. Balae.
Happy 60th birthday, Papa. We thank God for the gift of your life and for the love, guidance, and wisdom you share with our family. Your strength and kindness are a blessing to us all. We pray that God continues to grant you a good health, peace, and joy in the years ahead. We are truly grateful to you. Again, happy birthday, Pa.
Happy birthday, Papa. May you be blessed with good health, peace, and happiness always. Wishing you a day filled with simple joys in a year ahead filled with comfort and positivity. Thank you, and we wish you many more birthdays to come. Celebrate po again. Happy birthday po. God bless po.
Happy 60th birthday po, Pa. More birthdays to come, and sana po ganyan din po ako pag nag 60th birthday. Mukhang bata pa rin po. Mabubuhay po kayo hanggat gusto nyo. Good health, more abundance to come po in life. Thank you po sa lahat. And God bless po palagi. Happy birthday po ulit, Pa. Love you po.
Happy birthday, Tito. Wishing you a fantastic day filled with joy, love, and special memories. Hope this year brings you happiness and success. More birthday to come, Tito. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po, Pa. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sakripisyo niyo po sa aming magkakapatid. And